Oh my god. That was below, but I wasn't a fucking buy on US30 just now. I bought after this candle wicked up right here. Came back down. I got stopped right here. And then this is the biggest 1 minute candle I think I've ever seen. A 760 pip 1 minute candle right here. We might be going for we going for highs on US30 or what? Hey, what's up, Biggity Bop? I think we could go up here. Or go down with the Kangaroo Tail. Kangaroo Tail is printed. We do got a Kangaroo Tail. Could sell. But I think we're going to go up. Yeah, we got another Kangaroo. This could drop a lot of good room to the left, and we're going to hit break even on that. I think I'm going to put the sell in a little bit. Maybe it drops to open. I'm risking 20 for 20 here. You're gonna sell US30 right now, Jim? Yeah, I'm risking 20 for 20 here. Might get a drop down here to the lows, maybe. Big maybe. I'll definitely reduce some stops on that. Yeah, this is, I believe this is the open candle right here. 31. No, the open price would be right here. Would be this green candle here. That's just about 2 hours, but I would prefer going for the low if it goes down. I'm gonna go for the low. The risk was 20 for 60 here. Got a lot of big moves though already this morning. It's Nasdaq an instant sell. Look what happened to CAD Chef on fucking Friday when I decided to close after holding for 4 days or 5 days. I couldn't believe it. But here's the 5 minute. Okay, I could not believe it when I checked these charts yesterday. We closed CAD Chef yesterday after it reversed right up here, and look what happened. Look what happened right after I closed. I mean, like, what the fuck? I was watching right here. We saw it break above this, and I got out. That's just gross, yo. Like, what are the odds of that? You hold for 5 days, basically. You get out, and the very next 5-minute candle just drops out of the sky. Looks like Nasdaq is not gonna go or down. Was this one of those Fibonacci retracements right here? Alright, so we started the morning off 0-2 right now. 1 break even, 1 loss. $10 challenge starts now. Fuck. Alright. Well, I wouldn't mind trying to re-enter. Let's see, we might smash this first trade quickly. Hey, what's up, Amelia? I think we're gonna hit the 1-hour challenge today. I feel it. I feel it for some reason. And I'm gonna buy this double top if it gets broken. Like that. And I'm gonna risk 20 for 20. That double top should just blast up a little bit, right? It makes sense. It makes sense. Might get lucky. Might get, uh-oh. Okay, it's turning into a bearish Kangaroo Tail, though. Come on, we're risking, I don't know yet. I'm down about 30 bucks right now, Amelia. Trying to catch a little quick rally up, but that's not gonna happen. I'm liking the volatility though. I'm seeing some good movements. I'm pulling up Nasdaq here on the hourly. Nasdaq could drop down on the zone, right? 14,930. Think it's got a long ways to go down. Plus there's bearish divergence. I'm gonna sell US30. There's a Kangaroo Tail. We'd like to see a tail drop. It's a pretty good Kangaroo Tail too. We'll start the 1 hour challenge now. Start it over. I'm gonna hit it today. Nasdaq's gonna keep going down here. Where's 20 on this trade now? I think Nasdaq's on its way down to 14,930, guys. 14,930. Which isn't too far down here. Shit. We're going to 40 now? $14,930. But we'll go a little higher. We'll do 14,940 just to make sure. I will be putting a $40 trade in here in a second. Fuck, it's a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Well, damn us. Shit. I think it's a buy. $40 for 40 off this Kangaroo Tail. It might go up just a little bit. I'm still bearish, but I think it's gonna go up a little bit. There is a small little area where price seemed to have gone. So we could get a quick push up on this Kangaroo Tail, but overall still be looking for a sell after it initially goes up a little. Well, anyways, that's my analysis. How many pips are we even asking the market to move? We're asking the market to move 120 pips. And it's already dropped 1,000 pips in 15 minutes, so we're only asking for a 10% move of what's already been done. Can we get past here and touch here? This could be a perfect Kangaroo Tail movement. up, motherfucker. Go up. We want to see green. We do not want a red candle right here. We want the jump up. We want the jump up. We want that jump up. We want the jump up. Come on, jump up, baby. Jump up, baby. Jump up, baby. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to win this one. There's no way. There's no way. It's going to keep going down. It's going to go down. I'm gonna pump the brakes. I lost too much already in the first 20 minutes. $150. We're pumping the brakes. I might just stop right now, honestly. I don't want to, but I might stop right now, guys. I'm not feeling the vibes right now. Unless this trade drops. Unless this shit drops. Hey, good morning, iBob. I said if it drops, it might drop. Super tilted about this that $40 one. I'm super tilted about it. I might set break even on this in a second. Would like to see a little bit more red before I do it though. Like that. I'll set break even now. I'll go for $100. Still got about 200 pips to go according to TradingView. US30 is dropping, you think? Fuck us on Nasdaq, we're break even. Just one of those days. It's gonna be a losing day. It's not gonna be a winning day. I'll try one sell on US30. Let's see if we can get lucky one time. Darren, did you already put your sell in for US30? Where would US30 drop? That's what I want to know. Well, looks like US30 is US30 knocking on the door of all-time high. Let me just make sure. Yeah. It is. So here's the hourly. Kind of an interesting candle to make a decision off, though. Nice. US30, I like that candle. I'll set break even on that, and I'll have a TP down. TP down here at I'll set a break even at this and have. Okay, never mind. I'm just getting fucking break even all the time. Ain't working out today. Not today. I mean, I missed my opportunity. I got in right here at the open and barely got stopped out right here. So I've had plenty of opportunity. That was 1,600 pips it went up. 1,600 pips, that's a quick $300 right there. It's not as bad as it was. I thought I was down like 150. But I'm down 77. I don't think I'm going to make any decisions on US30 right now. Nasdaq looks a little more cleaner. Do you find a setup? I think I'm going to sell Nasdaq off this old baby Kangaroo Tail. I'm gonna sell Nasdaq. TP down here. 2 Kangaroo Tails back to back. It's an easy sell. How easy though? Next Monday, I want somebody to take all the opposite trades that I take. I want you to do it. Next Monday, someone volunteer and take the opposite trades that I take. I want to see what happens. I feel like I missed my good opportunity on the US30 open. The buy obviously got stopped. But I'm just wondering if that was the best opportunity of the morning. And if you miss that first opportunity in the morning, are you just chasing? Like, am I just chasing to find that next big trade right now, rather than being able to actually catch it before it already happened right at the open? Last week we did come out with a profit though. We were profitable. Wow, okay, US30. US30 might actually go down to that retest. Nasdaq's doing some funky shit right now. It looks like a sell, but then, I mean, this candle just gapped down and then shot up, so I mean, this is a very weird pattern. What kind of a candle gaps down and then shoots up like that right away? This shit looks like a sell, but probably gonna go up. But it's hard to tell where the next hourly zone will be. Looks like this candle, I mean, we're breaking. Does that count as a breaks, retests? Let's investigate this shit. Alright, there's 5-minute kangaroo on Nasdaq. So this could just be the break and retest and now we drop. Definitely looks like that. Breaks, retests, but there is a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Going to the 1 minute, we do have a bearish tail, and I think I will sell this tail. I will sell this Kangaroo Tail. Stop loss right above the tail. If I'm looking at that, I like this. I like how the tail is positioned. You got some room to the left. On the 5-minute and 15-minute, it looks like it's a break and retest, and we could continue back down. We saw a move like this last week, except it was, or 2 weeks ago, when we completed the 1 hour challenge. It was a break and a retest with the Kangaroo Tail. Here we see the same kind of setup. Apple is going up. Apple is rocketing up, actually. And so is Nasdaq. Anyone keeping an eye on Tesla? You have another tail. No, you don't. It just closed a little too high. Yeah, I felt like I just like woke up in a fucking dream. California pig rules could cause bacon to disappear. Guys, it's finally came to that. We finally had to have a fucking headline in 2021 that bacon could disappear. Yeah, Forex simulator. If you type exclamation mark simulator, I think I got a video link. If I remember simulator. Let me see. Yeah, that's the one. That's the software that Justin bought. So Justin actually owns that now. Simulator is actually a pretty good product. I should actually use it way more. I wonder if actually scanner will work. I'll have to plug in my scanner on it and see if it works. Oh guys, are we getting the drop finally on Nasdaq? Is the break and retest coming? Honestly, I think we're gonna go 14.9, not 30. That's been kind of my price target. It might be kind of greedy. $9.40. 14.930 would give me. This is the one where I should have actually put in a bigger lot size. I could just scoop the $40 and find another setup after this. My TP should be about 14.930. I'll do TP right below my original TP if we drop. If it drops. Possible trend line on US30. I say possible. Part of me wants to sell this trend line. But I'm sure a lot of other people are thinking sell right now too. So I would prefer to wait a few more candles. The market makers know people. I mean, so many people are noticing this trend line, so market makers might be drooling right now, clicking that buy, stopping some people out. Kangaroo Tail too. Oh, it did not close as a kangaroo. I see what it's doing though. All these wicks right here. Lots of wicks right there. Oh shit, we just got hit broke even. 3 break evens this morning. Damn. Now might be a better time for a sell. Right, you can get a stop above this area here, and we could continue back down. See the open price, which is right here. Open price is here. 35.60. This is why I wanted to see. I forgot about this. California pig rules could cause bacon to disappear. New rules go into effect next year to acquire more space for pigs. Can we trade the price of pigs? I think the price of pigs has futures, right? What is the symbol for live pig price? Live lean hogs, is that what they call them? Agriculture commodity lean hog. Lean hog. Okay. Let's see how the price of hog is doing. See our price of bacon. Hog, the price of bacon is about to go up, guys. Fuck. We got bullish divergence on the price of bacon. Right. Yeah, the forecast is about a 6% increase on your Grand Slam breakfast. If I bought hog futures, how many could you buy here? Have a TP up there. Get a TP up there. Get about 5 hours out of that. I wouldn't mind risking like, you know, 20 bucks on it or something. Seeing how it would do if you can make 100. Yeah, if I had access to buy hog right now, that'd be my setup right there. I'd buy, stop loss below, and we'd be set. We're gonna pay attention to this, okay? That'll be our hypothetical trade. Okay, we're risking 20 on this. We'll check it. We'll check this at the end of the week on Friday. We'll see how our trade does. What do we got going on Nasdaq? Nasdaq with the breakout. 15,000. We've been playing on 15,000 for at least a month now. I can't tell you how many times prices hit this zone. I know you could trade Todd on the broker Grand Capital, but I can't get my fucking money out of Grand Capital. They blocked USA apparently, so I cannot log in unless I have a VPN. I'm trying to withdraw some money. Trying to withdraw that money. I got about 800 bucks on there. All those damn USA rules. Holy shit. California restaurants and groceries use about 255 million pounds of pork every single month. Let's think about that. 255 million pounds of pork a month. You know what? I'm just gonna buy Nasdaq and throw $10 at it. I think it might touch those highs after watching it go up this far. 10 for 10. If this hits TP real quick, or you already know we're gonna do 20 for 20, and so on. We're gonna go up to 1550. 1550 I see on Nasdaq. Damn, if California does 250 million a pig a month, it wouldn't be bad to invest in something like that. Is there any online site that just lets you deposit money and basically giving you returns without being a Ponzi scheme? Is this a W? This is a W. I can't remember the certain kind of W, right? The W? That's almost a Head and Shoulders too, right? Almost. Regardless, I think there's a lot of bullish signal. want to mention also, anybody that plays Call of Duty Warzone, I created a regiment. It's called Kangaroo Gaming. Kangaroo Gaming. We're gonna try to get something going on that. Try to run some private Warzone lobby matches. Fucking run it. Alright, Nasdaq. We're gonna put 20 on this bad boy right away. There's my buy. Risking 20. We're going for 20. Miles, you mean go for 5? Start with 5-5. We go up there. The only thing is, okay, I know what's gonna happen. Once I get to the $40 level, I just gun it. We get ready. Probably about 3.5 lots. Once that hits, if it hits right away, we're gonna buy it right away. We're gonna buy it right away. I might even need to go to 4 lots. But if I do 4 lots, there cannot be any drawdown at all. I think 3.5 lots might be. My gut is telling me I need to go a little higher, maybe 3.75 lots. 3.75. If I'm gonna do the 5-hour challenge today, this lot size needs to be perfect. Shit. Red can. Damn it. Didn't want to see red right there, Miles. Have any of you been able to complete the 1-hour challenge? I want to know. If anybody has done it, send me a picture of your success. I don't think this one's going to win. Yeah, let me see what my typical, how many pips my typical stop has been. Let me see here. Alright, let's look here. How many pips did I have that one? Alright, so that one was about 50 pips. That was Nasdaq though. And this one, okay, let's look at these ones. Alright, my stop on that one was 65. 65. Here my stop was 100 pips. And there's no drawdown on those candles. I mean, obviously this is hindsight, but technically the 1-hour challenge could have been completed on this little challenge, these candles right here. Boom. If you're a beast and you're able to recognize there's a W forming and we're going back up. If you catch the buy here, you are a fucking master. Oh wow, look at that. Hog is going up already. Hog went up already. We are dropping.
We're about to
Very choppy for US30 now.
with Melio, you can transfer and receive pay.
This is not normal. I don't know why society thinks this shit feels normal. Like, pretty great reason to take Social Security benefits at 62. Monthly Social Security benefit calculated using your wages from your 35 highest paid years in the workforce. From there, the age you file will determine how much money you get. No. The determining factor about how much money you get is about how hard you fucking hustle right now when you're young. That's the determining factor, not fucking putting this money in and working as a slave for 35, 40 years. Fuck that. For each month you file, your monthly benefit shrinks. And filing at 62 will cause a 30% reduction. Well, probably like a 100% deduction because of inflation and shit. Your job isn't good for you. It's not, guys. If you have a job, it's not good for you. But that's why you're trying to learn to trade. You're not a risk. I like that. I agree with that. You gotta take risks to get money. They are exp gains. There's nothing wrong with the job, but there is something wrong with the job if you're not trying to do anything on the side. If you got a job and you're on the stream, then you want more in life. You know what I see right now? I see some big bearish divergence right now. Big bearish divergence. But I also got that W, okay? That W has not been completed. I think it's possible for anybody to get out of their job within a 5 or 10 year period, definitely. Looks so gross. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is tempting for both the buy and sell. Yep, there's a lot of people I think that just lurk Jordan. I know there's a lot more people that never type either. It's all good there. See, after seeing that candle, it's looking like Nasdaq wants to be a buy. Probably get a clear, or I'll buy if it clears this zone. David, are you listening to YouTube while you're driving right now? I think I want to take a $10 account with 500 leverage and do the 1 hour challenge. Every time I lose, I gotta deposit another 10 in that account. Eventually, one of those $10 deposits is going to be able to take off. You know, some of these gurus take fucking 4 or 5 weeks just to turn 10 to 300, and I'm thinking there, I'm like, you know, of course my account was bigger to handle bigger lot size, but if I was able to take a $10 risk and run it up to 320 in a 20-minute time period, and I did it while I was alive, and I show the comparison, like, okay, so you guys follow a so-called millionaire trader, took him fucking 4 or 5 weeks to flip $10 to 300, when this guy earned with Todd 5,000 subs did it in 20 minutes. It's all an illusion. People see an illusion on fucking YouTube. Hey, what's up, EGFX? Welcome here. Were you typing in? I'm just curious on YouTube. Did you type in live forex trading? Is that how you found the stream? I know I got a bunch of keywords too. Wondering if people are actually typing in live forex trading in the mornings. I'm down about $100 today, DG. Haven't had the best morning. Missed a couple good trades. And US30 is just looking like shit to trade. Like the last hour, basically. Natural, are you saying a re-entry At 15,000 level, or talking about down in this area where we got price? They make this a different color. Is Australia going crazy over there, David? Is Australia pretending like this is the Black Plague? I went to this park on Saturday and it said only vaccinated people are allowed who have no masks on. I'm like, well, you know what? I'm not wearing a mask. There was no issue. We're outside. I'm not wearing a mask when I'm fucking outdoors, you know? Fresh air is the safest place you could be. Nasdaq is going to break out when we least expect it. So is US30. I think we're going to break all-time highs today. It's less than 600 pips away too. Yeah, DG Kangaroo Tail like Walter Peters. Yep. We were trading the exact parameters that he had in his book. This was a nice one last week. Hourly Kangaroo Tail on US30, and that shit just dropped, y'all. I was grocery shopping on Saturday while I was parked at the grocery store on the front, and this lady comes running out with a full cart, and the cashier is chasing her. And then I noticed there's a fucking car that pulled up next to me all parked crookedly, and they were basically gonna load up a full shopping cart and put it in their car right there in front of the store, and I'm thinking, these bitches are right in front of me. I should just back up my car and fucking run them over, you know? But then the cashier was basically gonna throw this bitch on the ground, and she's like, "Here, fine, take the cart back," and they ran away. And the last fucking thing those scumbags said was, "Your mama." They said, "Your mama," in a brand new black Mercedes. If I see a thief running with a full cart, goddamn right, I'm gonna floor my car. And their legs are gonna be fucked. And you'll be like, well, you know what? I was in danger of my life. They're right next to me. They're crooks. Who knows if they had a gun on them? But what fucking scumbags? You got a brand new black Mercedes and you're trying to steal shit? Alright. Not sure if this can be a trend line. Could be maybe a little breakout. Might be dropping here. I don't know, but I had bad vibes about those people. You could just feel their negative energy. Yeah, Jaleesa, I got no respect for scumbags. No remorse. Yeah, yesterday might fall. Said there might be a breakout when we least expect it. Yeah, I'm one of those people that don't sugarcoat things. I'll tell you what the fuck is on my mind straight up. Damn, the market is so slow right now. No, I would only get in the way if, you know, they did something to me or something, or to my car. Hit your car, break your window. That's when I would take drastic force like that. I mean, Nasdaq, I'm seeing kind of a bullish flag now, too. Bullish flag. I mean, it got that W going. But she was a pretty small Mexican girl. She came running out of that store. She was ready to throw that bitch on the ground. Like, obviously, she's probably not supposed to touch her, but she took it personally to get that cart back. She wanted that shit back. Yeah, she yelled all pumped up. She was so pumped up when she got that cart back. I was trying to get my phone out to record, but I had no more memory. I was like, of course. Alright, so you see this flag? I'm looking at this right here. Of course, of all times when I need a video. But there's bearish diversions too. I don't save porn on phone, yo. I got like 10,000 pictures. Yeah, I only trade the 1 minute. 1 minute. I mean, sometimes I'll enter the 5 minute. I've been paying attention to the hourly zones lately, though. Enter on the 1 minute, go for an hourly zone. See, now, okay, now we got things developing. See, we got a 5 minute alert. We have a 5 minute. We have a 5 minute bearish Kangaroo Tail, and it's a pretty decent one. Fuck, and I think it's gonna drop. I think I got a late entry. I think it's gonna drop, guys. 5 minute Kangaroo Tail. Yeah, it can be accurate sometimes. Put a sell in. See what happens. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty pretty soon. That's not a good, that is a bullish Kangaroo Tail now. I decided I'm not taking any more trades today. It's gonna be Call of Duty. It's gonna be a Call of Duty next hour. Probably the hourly, or maybe the hourly on US30. It just depends. It just depends. I mean, we see random good ones like this with no room to the left, but they just shoot up. I mean, a lot of depends. Yeah, I mean, like right here. Okay, you had one right here, and right here. So the hourly will be more accurate, of course, but you'll see a lot less Kangaroo Tails. Guys, I'm gonna restart the stream. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty Warzone. If anybody is on, you can join my party. I'll be back on stream in about 2 minutes. I just gotta restart it. Gotta restart this. Alright guys, I'll be right back if anybody wants to hang out. I'll still have a chart open in the lower left hand corner, but we will be running some Warzone.